So I guess where we need to start is get our flowers, and we're going to use some leftover flowers that I have, and a couple of geraniums. Where did they go? So we have several geraniums here that we're going to use. They're not pushables, so I will cut them off. And we're going to place them inside here. So just get a little glue. And I'm just keeping the height a little bit. Just so it stays on the high side for our thriller. And I kept the foliage on there, so it might get in the way. I'll have to cut it out later. So I'm just using 3 of these right now. And then I will move on to maybe the white flowers. Okay. Got a couple of these red ones. They can go in there. Just keeping remembering that, you know, people can see all sides of your centerpiece if it's on the table, so you want both sides to be even and you know, to look like it's made well together. There's a white flower that can go in. It's a white daisy. And I think the key to this is just to use some of your extra florals that you haven't, you know, that you've had sitting around that are extra, that haven't been used. I do have some blue over here. Kind of a purple blue. There's some more whites. Blue 601, 6091. Oh my gosh. Blue 60919 from Deco Exchange. We may use some of that. So I'll do a couple more of these white ones, maybe 3 altogether. So I seem to be going in 3s. The leaves are push-upable. This one has 2 on it. So go the other side as well. Okay. All right, that's pretty good stacking happening right now. And kind of weave in some of these springs. We have some of these springs coming out, so kind of weave those together with your florals so they stick out a little bit. I do have these blue flowers that I could use in here, which would be less money than the 60919. But the one thing I like about the 60919 is the all the extra greenery that you have in there. That's kind of a positive. So I have to think about this for a minute. I think I do like the blue, and I am keeping kind of with that theme. Although this blue, it's kind of a periwinkle or blue. I don't think I like it as well with it. So. This is a little slightly different color blue. Still too purple, I think. So I think we'll go with these blues. And this, these flowers were also, I believe, from Joann Fabrics. So, cut the tags off. We'll go with 3 to begin with. Let's put him here. I might end up with 5 of this particular flower. I think I want a taller stem. Well, they don't get much tall. I need it to be taller, so let me think about that. This one's pretty tall. I'm going to put it right in the middle. I did cut it that way. Ugh, I'm getting glue on my... Always cut your things to a point. So it can stick in there. Four, we're on 1, 2, 3, 4, and this will be 5. So I think we have enough florals in there. I think now we can start doing fillers. I might do some of these little white ones, just because this is my own centerpiece. But even if I were to sell it, it's fine. They are plastic, but I prefer not plastic, but it works. And it adds a little bit of filler color. So what did I do with the rest? They come in a little bush like this. I think they're from the Dollar Tree. That's where I'm going to say. I don't know, they're not. They're from Amazon. I remember. I ordered these off Amazon. They were very inexpensive, which is always a plus, right? So just fill in your little spaces. And then we'll come back in with greenery. Some greens, whichever greens we decide. to use, ow, that got me, ow, ow, ow. Put this one down there. I want some in the middle. I want to add some greens on the bottom here, so I could add one more. I'll go with one more blue flower. Get this tall one. Could add some of this greenery. I want it to stick. I just stick it in the side like that. It's just sticking out. Doesn't really fall. I think that's fine. Let's use this, even though this is kind of a lighter color plant. I think this is from Joann Fabrics as well. And I'll probably cut it, you know, like cut down the tips. And I usually like to fold them over. Needle nose. Roll it. So just fill on the bottom here. Who does Floral Garden? I don't know if it's Joann's. It could be the Dollar Tree. The new Dollar Tree, usually they have different labels though. I should push that one up higher. That's all right. Try to cover up all the bottoms so it's not really seen. Oof. I like that over there. These are pushers, which is a plus. Well, this is my first time making a video. My name is Susan Meister from Meistercraft Studios. And I am a nervous wreck. Even though I'm trying for nobody to see my face right now. I don't know, Jerry from the business coaching group. She's a virtual CEO Mamas is her page that I follow. And she's on every Monday. And she was on today because she's visiting somewhere. And she went live and said to do something that was scary. So that's what I'm doing. Something that's scary to me. Now I can still see inside here. So there's some filling in that still needs to happen, I feel. And of course I'm going to be doing a bow. So I could fill in with what happened to my, I could make some of these. I think I will. So just stick my wire in there. And put it in. There's a star. And I think I need to fill in some in here. So oh, I have these two. They're kind of cool. Just do one or two of those, maybe. Kind of like those. these were a find. Okay, so I know for sure these are Dollar Tree, so that means the other ones are Dollar Tree as well. From the Floral Garden, that's Dollar Tree now. Because I know I got these from Dollar Tree. But I loved them when I saw them. I was like, they're so kind of cool, right? All these little balls. Here, they do this, right? Kind of cool. All from the Dollar Tree. Sticking out. I think I need one on this side. Okay, so what I don't like is I don't like this up here by itself. It needs something taller there, so I might need to do, let's see, what do I have here? I have some of these red ones. So what if I put a red one in there? Can I get one tall enough? These were not, these might have been, oh, these are from the at-home store. Woohoo! Richness of at-home. I feel like that's not long enough though. I need to have something. So that's what we need. Just make it a little bit longer. Looks good. Sorry, my desk is such a mess. I didn't plan on doing this show, but I thought I would try it. This is floral tape. Comes in a lot of different colors. I end up using green or brown or white. Get it from Michael's, Hobby Lobby, any of those. Any store that has florals, even Joann's has some. Okay. Just to add a little bit more height. I think I'll do several of those. $2.99. Summer at home. It's kind of a lot for this smaller